Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday here in Montana. It's very cold, and I just want to put out a quick video for week 3. You guys are going to be uploading a resume with basically a cover letter. That's what I expect from this. There's a criteria in the assignment for you to use. The only example I have is my own CV, which has many of these details in it, but I didn't write a mission statement or a cover letter for a specific employee. There's plenty of examples of that like out on the internet, so help yourself to those. What I think about when I looked at professional resumes and CVs, curriculum vitae, when I was an administrator, was I wanted them to be professional. So if I want something colorful, flowery, things like that, then that's more of a web-based portfolio, and many people are doing those right now. But in addition to that, besides providing a link for a web-based portfolio where you can put pictures and all sorts of creativity on there, a lot of people just want something in hand for them to take to the interview, for the interviewers to have right there in front of them, something black and white, very professional, not too much color in there, just the facts. And so I'll upload what I used years ago. I had a professional CV writer, and there's professional resume and CV writers. The difference between a resume and a curriculum vitae or CV is that a resume is a short, usually no more than 2 pages, usually about 1 page of the high points of your professional identity, experience, things like that. A CV has a lot more. A CV can go up to 40, 50 pages. It includes everything that you've been published for, all of your awards, references, and their letters. It's extensive. So that's the difference. Usually people will specify if you're going for a nursing job on a unit, they want a resume. If you're applying for an academic position as a professor, they want a CV. And you can even ask them which they would rather have. But always when you go into an interview, be sure and take extra copies with you. Rehearse some questions. Go online and look at some of the common questions that people might ask and rehearse those. And always know why you want to work for that organization. Always know something about the organization. Kind of surprise them by how much you know about their mission and maybe some of the awards they've won lately. Let them know that you've done some research and that you're truly interested in working for these people because you think that they're going to be a good employer because of X. The most common mistake, and people do it all the time, and it's a terrible mistake, don't ever say anything bad about your prior employer. They open it up and they'll always say, why did you leave your last position? And so they're almost setting a trap for you, but you never want to walk into that trap. Say something very professional about maybe our goals just didn't align or I relocated. But don't drag it through the gutters because they are very sensitive to that. And they want to know that you can deal with things professionally, even if things go bad. They don't want to think that you're a very negative person and that you have resentments that you can't get rid of because this doesn't play well for working with other people in a new place. So be always honest, but be always positive. And that's the advice that I have for you. I will dig through the cobwebs of my computer and see if I can come up with a CV that I used that I can put out there as an example. But review the assignment criteria because there's more in it than just that. And good luck and have fun. And we only have one more assignment after this week, and it's the holidays. So you guys take care. Text me if you need anything. Bye-bye.